Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you a stand-up paddleboard from Berkley Kayak Company. This SUP, or SUP, is built for fishing. It comes with one paddle, and I bought an extra one for when I'm sitting down. A kayak seat is also included, so it feels just like a kayak. I bought this cart to help carry it around. It only weighs about 55 pounds. It's more durable than an inflatable stand-up paddleboard or float tube. It comes with 2 rod holders and rail tracks for other accessories. It's very stable, as you can see. Dom and I caught a halibut on our first trip on the SUP. We need to make more modifications to help keep things secure.